Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Today will be really a brief look at the euro currency because markets across the board are taking some pause right now after the tough week. So investors now think, trying to assess the current situation, the recent information that they got on the previous week. And it's not much really to discuss because on the Australian dollar, I will show you our double repo buy pattern that we have discussed has hit the target. So recall that this our 4-hour chart double repo buy on Australian dollar has hit the 50% resistance. So the minimum target on Australian dollar has been hit. On other currencies, as the Great British Pound, although the thrust down is nice, but we still have no patterns yet to trade, the same as on the Canadian dollar. So the situation is potentially interesting on these currencies, but they just is not quite ready for trading. That's why today we will take a look at the really brief look at the euro currency. So recall what we have said, that market right now, the strong support, market was in a really tough action since the beginning of the month. And due to some reasons, as from the technical point of view, that market has hit some support area and completes some targets, as from the fundamental point and sentiment point of view, that the investors probably will try to take some profit, take the pause, the currently market could show retracement. Also, the recent rumors on the market tells that currently the speculators have taken extremely short position, the largest short position in late 2 years. So that very often leads to the reversal, short term or long term, because when the market takes the extremely long or short position, it appears that nobody on the other side, and that leads to the reversal. And that in general coincides with our assessment, and we still also point on the possible retracement on the euro currency. Recall that in our weekly research we said that we will be watching for some reversal pattern here that could trigger the retracement. Whether it will be minor or greater retracement, difficult to say right now, but our initial assessment was that retracement should reach somewhere near around 135 area, because this is the 50% resistance of the most recent thrust. Euro currency likes to show the 50% levels. Also, that is not very far from the yearly pivot point, and that really could happen. And currently, guys, the situation looks so that the appearing of the double repo buy looks really possible, because take a look what has happened. Thrust down. Market has closed above the 3x3 moving average, but hasn't quite reached the resistance. And that is necessary condition for double repo. Market should cross the 3x3, but it should not reach the resistance. Because when the market hits the resistance, it means that some traders have exit from the market and taken the profit. While when the market doesn't hit the resistance, then the steam stands in the boil, and it means that the position is still here and nobody exit from this motion, from this move. That's very good when the market shows the crossing of the 3x3 moving average, but does not reach the resistance area. That's also, take a look, that this level 134.70 is accompanied by the weekly pivot resistance one and the yearly pivot point. It's very close. Well, now we need, if this really will be the double repo, we need to see the crossing below the 3x3 and close above, and after that we will get the confirmation of the possible pattern that could trigger retracement. And another reason why I think that the double repo is possible, because yesterday we've got this pattern. You see, that is the bearish grabber. It's very small, but that is the pattern that suggests the taking out of these lows. Since we expect some deeper retracement, that probably will lead to some wash and rinse of these lows and generate back up, and that is very typical for the double repo. When the market forms the slightly deeper second bottom, that's very good for the double repo, because the breakout traders, when they see that market starts to move below the former lows, they will try to enter on the short side of the market, trying to push price lower. But when they fail, market returns back up, they will become trapped in the wrong direction, and their stops that have been placed slightly above the market starts to trigger and push market high and get market some more speed, more acceleration to the upside. And that is what the grabber tells us. So the appearing of the grabber here suggests possible taking out of these lows, and in other words, this pattern hints that market probably should form another valley and should not continue move to the upside. And that is what we expect from the double repo pattern. Okay, that market right now should move lower and to form second bottom. That's what we would like to see. Conversely, if this grabber will fail, that's also possible, and market will continue move higher and reach this area. In this case, the bread and butter sell is possible. So in this case, we will try to take the short position with the just scalp target to the downside, or we'll use this for positioning ourselves to the downward direction, but it's a bit early to talk about it. So that's the situation on the euro currency, what we will be expect in the nearest trading sessions. So continue to watch over the progress with this pattern. Currently, guys, on the intraday chart, there's nothing to comment yet. That's why we will take a look only on the daily picture. So the situation that we see right now here, that being said, the situation here suggests the appearing of the double repo pattern, and the appearing of the grabber just increases the probability that it will happen. But until we will get the confirmed pattern, it's better to not take any position. Because if you take the long position here, you will stand against the grabber and the market will push you down. This will be not really desirable action if you have the long position, right? At the same time, you can in general trade the short, scalp short. If you're a scalp trader and trade on intraday charts, you can try to take the scalp short position with the stops above these highs and taking out the profit right around these lows. Risk reward ratio will be nice. But this mostly intraday trade, and it's not stands in a row with the daily update. So, but you could try to trade this pattern. Why not? Because pattern is placed in place where you understand the risk, you understand the reward. So this is really possible. But again, our major object that we will hunt for is the pattern on the daily time frame chart. And currently it hasn't been confirmed, it hasn't been formed yet. So we will continue to watch over it.